welcome to my channel. This is LifeLightAndLisa. I'm Lisa. So today's video is going to be an unboxing and a review of a product sent to me by a company called Luvo. So they have sent me their Luxe Beauty Box. I'll also insert some clips of my before and after makeup organization situation, so keep watching. Review, I just want to read the description on their website and you will see why I'm like the slightest bit triggered, but in a good way. So it says, our largest makeup organizer is sure to fit even the most excessive makeup hoarders collection. So yeah, they're talking about me. In terms of pros and cons, the pros definitely outweigh the cons with this one. The only con I have is that it's kind of heavy, but apart from that, it's chill. In terms of pros, number one, packaging, A1. So it came with like bubble wrap and foam and that around it. Apart from that, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, so there are 4 drawers, and around each drawer it had an elastic, and I thought that was thoughtful in terms of shipping and handling. Number two, and I guess the best pro of them all, is that it is a huge space saver. So you've seen my before and afters. It's not that I had a situation in terms of organization and clutter, but more so now with the one product, pretty much all my makeup has fit into it, meaning that so much space has been freed up on my table and it looks good. I will leave all the information in the description box down below, and thank you to Luvo for sending me this product. Thanks for watching.